Hello everyone, welcome to another video by the Ancient Trader. This is the weekly report of the trading which I take with a capital of roughly around 50 lakhs. So coming to this weekly expiry, which is the 1st of December, the markets from the previous week rallied from roughly around 18,300 to 18,900. So that was a very significant positive rally which we have seen of roughly around 600 point in Nifty, and Nifty crossed all-time high quite easily, and it created sort of a panic that it can reach 19,000, which most people did not expect this. So with this, what has happened to my trades is that I, after a period of 6 months, have incurred losses of roughly around 3,000 rupees on my December calendars and this. So I'm closing this week with a 3,000 rupees loss. I made a blunder of mistakes over here, and the major mistake was that the execution was wrong. I executed the wrong number of lots, and that costed me roughly around 17,000 rupees. And following the Wednesday's hike to 18,800 quickly, I had to close this particular trade at a loss. So this was 850, which I closed at around 10,000. And then there were some of the other losses which I had to close, which was this, which I could continue to hold on as well. It was my error of judgment which made me get into this loss, but however I exited with no loss, and I was roughly around 23,000 on Wednesday, just half an hour before the close, and I had to close this at 700 rupees loss. If there was no execution loss, and if I had closed off before itself, I had a weekly target of 30-40,000, which I would have achieved. Anyways, coming back to the next weekly, I'm expecting the market to take support at around 16,600 and move back in case, and also try to stay within the same range. With this, I have created a debit spread over here. I have bought 18,800 CEP and sold 18,600 and 19,000 CE of 10 lots, and I have sold naked triangles at far rates so that I'm trying to capture a range. So with this trade, what it looks like is this. This is the debit spread and this is this triangle. So what I am trying to do is, my exit plan is somewhere around Tuesday or the Wednesday of the morning. So this is the Monday, which it looks like. My range is around 18,474 to 19,150. So let's say that market tries to reach 19,000, face some resistance and come back, or if it goes to 16,600 and tries to come back, and if it stays in the middle, I would be making roughly around 35,000 to 40,000 rupees with this. The idea is to capture as much as possible over here and maybe leave this out for the period where election results are explained. So with this, I'll try to see if I can make some adjustment. The target is 30-40,000. So there is 4 weeks left. So if the target is 35 to 40,000, I am expecting to reach around 1.5 lakh, which is usually my profit range for the month. And I would be happy even if I close this at 1 lakh rupees, as it has been a been splendid year so far. I have seen a lot of losses at the market at the beginning, and I was literally with zero profits and loss till May, and currently I'm at 10-11 lakhs profits. So I would try to close this year end also with some 10-12 lakh rupees profit, and that itself will translate into 22,000, and this is leaving apart the profits I made in cash segment and stuff like that, which would push me to 25% yearly, and this is quite sufficient for me. So with this, I will come up with a video for the next week report as well, and I am trying to work on the videos where I can explain the uh, typical formats which traders try to follow, and and the plan is to create some generic study videos, and I'm trying to form a pattern where I can explain this. With this, I try to end this video. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.